Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to add a sound from a TikTok to your story. If you've come across a captivating sound on TikTok and want to share it with your followers on your story, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Go to the TikTok feed where you'll find a wide variety of entertaining videos. Step 3. If the TikTok video you're watching uses a sound that TikTok recognizes, you'll notice an option labeled Original Sound, followed by the name of the sound. This indicates that the sound is available for use. Step 4. A button that says Add to Story will appear on the screen. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Wait a few seconds for the sound to be added to your story. Once it's added, you can customize your story further by adding text, stickers, or other creative elements. By following these simple steps, you can easily enhance your story by incorporating captivating sounds from TikTok, allowing you to engage and entertain your followers with trending audio clips. Thank you for watching and enjoy elevating your stories with captivating sounds from TikTok.